Hi guys, so today we are going to talk about the best photo editing apps for Android which are free. So by the end of the video you will be able to uh, convert a photograph like this into this or even this. The third app is Pixlr, Pixlr. So this is a very good app for photo editing. It has got many modes like crop, rotate, double exposure, adjustment, autofix, auto contrast, blur, smooth, sharpen, splash, heal, red eye. It has got brighten, darken, pixelate and doodle. Like you can pixelate the background and create excellent effects with this. And it has also got many other effects such as uh, automatic filters, as you can see here. And you have also got backgrounds and text overlays. As you can see, in a few seconds we have changed a photo from this to this, and the effect is really good. The next app is PixArt. It is a really minimalistic app and very easy to use and filled with great features. As you can see, it has tools, effects, beautify, stickers, cutout, text, add photo, fit, brushes, border, mask, draw, lens flare, shape mask, frame, callout, and many good feature in the tools. As you can see here, it is curves, adjust, enhance, flip, rotate, perspective, tint, shift. It has also got many good effects. You can also auto beautify without even thinking about it. You have got great stickers, but most of them are premium. So, and this video is about free to use apps, so I might not include in this. So let's start editing. In a few seconds we have changed a photo from this to this, and the effects are really amazing. You should try this app too. The first app is a very easy to use app because you don't have to use effects or something. It automatically creates effects that are made by users. As you can see, this is a sample you made by someone, and we can just click here and it will automatically process the image, as you can see, and it has automatically processed the image, and we can easily save it to our device by downloading. And it is really easy to use app. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and we'll meet you in the next one.